Here we have the EGO 56 volt cordless auger. We're going to go ahead and use a 56 volt battery, 10 amp hour. Let's see how this thing works. So we're going to drop it in here, and then we're going to go ahead and start at a low speed. I'm going to scrub here, and like I said, it goes slow. Then we'll go reverse. That's a pretty good hole already, but let's get back in it slowly. We're gonna let this auger do the work, position ourselves well. See that size of that hole. Okay. Wow, that's a pretty fast hole. Yeah, that's a good size hole. Alright, let's keep going. Alright, so it's making short work of it. It's just getting clogged from time to time. We're testing it out. Let's see. What's it hitting? So the intention is to use this device to create holes for water purification systems. If we have a clearance issue, we can put the half of the tank submerged in the soil beneath the concrete foundation of a basement, trying to figure out ways to facilitate the work. So that's one option. Additionally, you can use this in order to create new gas lines on the outside, as long as you get it clear with mist utility. So let's continue, see how this goes. Nice and solid down there. Take your time. So we'll reverse it. Let's go back. Oh yeah, that's a really good size hole right there. The fence guys could learn a thing or two from this. That made short work of it. Oh my. When you hit this second speed, it just goes right in there. Just so we get it started. There you go. Wow, that's a good size hole. Now that's what I'm talking about. yeah, the cordless technology is. Final verdict is it works as intended, and matter of fact, you can make nice, good, decent sized holes in a jiffy using this and put the concrete in there. Yeah, there's multiple applications that you can use this device. I'm a big fan already.